Being in control adds to our happiness. So science of happiness says that whenever you have more intrinsic level of control over something, over your situations, over the events in your life, you are much happier when you, instead of having an extrinsic level of control, which means that you look forward to something happening in the environment to make you happy or to make you successful. Like you're dependent on the economy, your boss, the environment. So anything that is outside of you, and if you put your control to those things, you will be less happier than when you have an intrinsic level of control. Now this is easier said than done. So how do you really get into that state? So one way is you list down the worst case scenarios that could happen to something that you want to do in future. Let's say you have planned something to happen in future. Now what makes you worried is that you are afraid that you might fail, this might happen, that might happen. So unnecessarily you are adding worries to your mind. As a result of it, you are spending less energy in the present to move towards what you want. So what you do is imagine what you want to create. Then imagine the worst case scenarios, like if that doesn't happen, if that fails miserably. And for each of those failures, you list down what you will do. If this happens, this is what you will do. I'll take an example. Let's say you have to make a very critical presentation to somebody. So now you imagine what could go wrong. What are the possible failures? One could be that your laptop or your machine crashes. Second, there is no network. You're not able to talk. Or let's say your PowerPoint itself crashes. So what you do is prepare yourself. What if one of each of these things happen? What will you do? So have those alternatives ready. Then this will make you more confident that you have made plans for worst case scenarios. So doing this will add a lot of energy to you in the present. So use this technique and you will see that you are reducing your worries about the future.